Hello and welcome. In this video, we will walk you through an important regulatory update issued by the International Financial Services Centres Authority, commonly known as IFSCA. This update relates to the extension of the deadline for implementing revised norms for the appointment of the Principal Officer and Compliance Officer under the IFSCA Capital Market Intermediaries Regulations 2025. This clarification is relevant for all capital market intermediaries operating in the IFSC. Let us understand the details step by step. IFSCA had notified the Capital Market Intermediaries Regulations 2025, also referred to as the CMR Regulations, to strengthen governance and compliance standards in IFSCA subsequently. A circular was issued on 4th September 2025, through which the deadline for implementing certain revised norms related to the Principal Officer and Compliance Officer was extended up to 31st December 2025. These norms are specified under Subregulations 2, 3, and 8 of Regulation 9 of the CMR Regulations. IFSCA has now informed that, in its meeting held on 22nd December 2025, the authority approved certain amendments to the CMR regulations related to the appointment of the Principal Officer and Compliance Officer. These amendments are currently in the process of being officially notified. Considering this ongoing amendment process, IFSCA found it necessary to provide additional time to intermediaries for compliance. Based on the above developments, IFSCA has decided to further extend the deadline for implementing Subregulations 2, 3, and 8 of Regulation 9 of the CMR regulations. The revised deadline is now up to 15th January 2026 or until the date of publication of the IFSCA Capital Market Intermediaries Amendment Regulations 2026 in the Official Gazette, whichever occurs earlier. This provides regulated entities with clarity and flexibility during the transition period. This circular comes into force with immediate effect and applies to all capital market intermediaries operating in the IFSCA. The circular has been issued under the powers conferred by Sections 12 and 13 of the International Financial Services Centres Authority Act 2019, read with Regulation 9, 4, and Regulation 45 of the CMR regulations. To conclude, IFSCA has extended the deadline for implementing the revised norms for the Principal Officer and Compliance Officer to ensure smooth alignment with the upcoming regulatory amendments. Capital market intermediaries should use this extended timeline to review internal structures and ensure timely compliance once the amended regulations are notified. Moonses and Management Consultants LLP, a trusted partner for CES and IFSC excellence, a pioneer in establishing CES and IFSC units within GIFT City and India, delivering end-to-end IFSC setup, operational support and handling compliances, risk management, renowned for deep expertise in regulatory approvals, capital markets, fund management, insurance, finance company, foreign university BATF, and ancillary regulations and fintech, expertise in customs clearance for aircraft and ship procurement, leasing, GST, DSPF, IFSCA comprehensive support covering registration, reporting, and regulatory transitions, ensuring ring fencing, transparency, and global compliance standards. Join our network, scan the QR codes below to stay connected with us.